Got 60 seconds? Let's unravel the mystery of your digestive system and see what happens to your food. Your digestive system is like a super efficient factory, breaking down food into tiny particles so your blood can deliver nutrients everywhere. The journey starts in your mouth, then a 9-meter tube called the alimentary canal takes over. First stop, the esophagus, which sends chewed food to your stomach. In the stomach, food is churned and liquidized before heading into the small intestine, split into the duodenum, jejunum, and ileum. Here, digestive juices from your gallbladder and pancreas come into play, breaking down food particles even further. Tiny, finger-like villi in the small intestine wall filter these nutrients into your blood. Finally, undigested food moves into the colon, forming feces that exit through the anus. And there you have it. That's your digestive system in a nutshell. If you enjoyed this quick dive into your body's inner workings, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Stay curious, folks.